how to pay Uber with Apple Pay. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you will be able to pay Uber with Apple Pay. First of all, just open your Uber app, and after that on the home screen, you need to click on the account section from the bottom right corner. And here you will see the option called Help, Payment and Activity. So you just need to scroll down and click on Settings. And first you need to verify your email address with your Uber accounts. And once you're done verifying your Uber account with your email address, just come back and click on the payment section from the top menu, and here scroll down and you will see the option called Add Payment Method. And now you will see all these options in the list given below. So you can see the option called Google Pay, UPI, credit or debit card, Paytm and gift card. So you just have to click on credit or debit card. And now in order to make payment in your Uber app with your Apple Pay, you need to have your Apple card handy with you. So here on this page, you need to add your password first, which should be minimum of 8 characters. And now just click on next. And once you are done setting up your password, and here you have to mention your Apple card number. So just mention the Apple card number, expiration date, CVC code, and select the nickname. And once you're done entering all these details, just click on next. So that's how you will be able to pay with your Uber with Apple Pay. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos. And I'll see you the next time.